Want to explore DhiWise, but don't have any Figma design? DhiWise now offers a new version of its UI kit with newly added UI components and a design system with which you can create designs for mobile and web apps. Let's understand what's new in DhiWise UI Kit 2.0. Let's start with the components. Here is the list of components that DhiWise UI Kit 2.0 provide. With these components, you can easily create a Figma design for your mobile and web apps ranging from categories like social media to fintech to SaaS to e-commerce and more. In DhiWise UI Kit 2.0, we have added variants for all these components. These variants can help you use components with different styles, colors, text, icons, etc. Let's see it in action. Make sure you are logged into your Figma account. Search DhiWise UI Kit and then click on the first link. You will be redirected to Figma. Let's copy DhiWise UI Kit into Figma account. As you can see, here are the colors, fonts and styles, and icons used in the UI kit. We can use them in components to change the theme, but we'll get to that later. Now, let's check the provided components first. We have variants for form elements, app bar, bottom bar, different grids, etc. So check them easily. We will see how to use these variants in our design with a single click. Let's create a dashboard with these screens. Let's start with adding a frame on a new page. You can choose any mobile screen size from this list. Now go to Assets to add the components. Here you can see all the components of the UI kit. Let's start by adding the status bar. Drag and drop the component on your frame. Let me adjust the size. Now we will add the app bar. Let me show you its variants. We have 4 options available. Let's go with the first one. Here, you can change this text easily without going into any layers. You can change the icons in any component by searching its name and selecting it. Let's add the slider. Here, we have 4 options. Let me adjust this on the screen. Now, let's add the grid. In grids, we have many options available. Let's take this one. Here are its variants. Finally, let's add the bottom bar. Here also, 5 options are there. Let's select the third one. Let's create one screen with form elements. Taking the input field. As you can see, again, many variants are available. You can toggle these properties and change placeholders and icons from here. Same way, there is text area. Here are its properties. Let us update the labels. Let's take the checkbox next and let's change the property. As you can see, we need hint text in the password field. Here is the OTP component. Then there are switches. Here is another variant of a text area. Let me add the radio button. Next, I'm taking the drop-down component. Here are its variants. Here is the rating bar component. Let's add the submit button. Many variants are there in the button component as well. so let's change the label to Submit. Similarly, you can create your form with your required properties. Let me show you how easily you can change the theme. Just choose any component and find this Selection Colors option. Click on it. Right-click on the selected color. Select Edit Style and change the color code and see the magic. Everywhere where this primary shade is used is updated and the theme of the app is changed. Lastly, if you want to add bottom sheet or dialog on your screen, just duplicate the frame. Add the bottom sheet component. And there you go, your screen is ready. Similarly, follow the same process for adding the dialog. You can see how quickly we have created 4 screens using the UI Kit. Let's understand why is this UI Kit beneficial to developers. As this UI Kit works as a design system, you can create designs for any app, mobile or web with attractive components and variants. This UI Kit is created by DhiWise, resulting in nearly 100% accuracy in code conversion for Flutter and React apps built with DhiWise. Utilize DhiWise UI Kit components, create beautiful app designs, and share your designs in DhiWise and Figma community to shine in both the communities and get the best code quality in DhiWise.